Fact: did you know that when babies listen to classical music it can help them develop their memory skills? You may have heard people say that if you listen to classical music, it makes you more intelligent. But is this true or just a myth? It is said that music feeds the soul, so in this article, we will look at how classical music is the antioxidant of music. Why do we listen to music? For hundreds of years, humans have felt the need to create music, to move with a rhythm or a beat. It is said that music could have derived from a proto-language, and could have come from an early form of communication between humans. Music can affect our mood. It can make us feel an abundance of emotions, from feeling happy, sad, energetic, passionate, and inspired. Musical effects on the brain. There are many theories as to why music affects us in such a way. One theory is that tense music and music with an upbeat tempo will change our heart rate, which can create discomfort if it is unexpected, or it can make us feel energized and want to move to the beat. In 2015, a study by the BBC said upwardly rising, staccato sounds tend to put us on edge, while long descending tones seem to have a calming effect. This study shows that we tend to react in a positive way to calmer, more smooth music as our heart rate doesn't increase, which means we tend to relax more. A study published in Nature in 2014 suggested that music has the ability to stimulate parts of our brain that wouldn't otherwise be used. This is also linked with emotional channels and is perhaps one of the main reasons why we all react differently to what we hear. Sometimes we associate certain memories or feelings with music, and this can sometimes be stimulating to our productivity. Why classical music is different. In 1993, physicist and professor Dr. Gordon Shaw conducted a controlled experiment with classical music. At the University of California, Shaw played Mozart to a group of students and noticed an increase in IQ level. Although the experiment is not relied on as significant evidence by many scientists, it does show that classical music has positive effects on the brain. Researchers believe that not only does listening to classical music help relax and calm us, which makes us perform better, but it can change our thought too. Listening to Mozart helps to warm up parts of the brain that allow us to develop abstract thought. A separate study by Dr. Kevin Labar showed that music has the power to improve focus and therefore performance. This is because when we listen to calming classical music, dopamine is released as we become calm and relaxed. This prevents the release of stress-related hormones, which means mood is improved and what we are working on becomes more enjoyable. Listening to classical music will relax and calm the mind, so it can then work to its full capacity and open channels of creativity that are otherwise dormant.